confusing headlines about the housing market that are out there. I pretty much live and breathe this stuff, and it is a lot of noise to have to sort through. So I totally get it if you have more questions than answers. With the holiday season in full swing, a lot of people are asking me some pretty tough questions about the market. So today, I'm going to answer the top 3 questions I'm being asked right now. This is from a national perspective. For something that's West Seattle specific, check out my November market update. Okay, here, let's go. Question 1. What's next for mortgage rates? The short answer is no one knows for sure. Right now, rates are sitting in the low 7s, and depending on certain circumstances, could even be the high 6s. But experts do think rates are going to come down sometime over the next year, as you can see from this quote here. Higher rates obviously impact affordability, and I know a lot of people have felt that. It's hard to shop for a home when you don't know what you can afford from one day to the next. With rates now relatively stable, you buyers can shop with a little more confidence. Question number 2 this holiday season is, where are home prices going? Well, despite some recent misleading headlines, home prices are not falling. They're just climbing at a pace that's more consistent for this time of year. And experts forecast that this normal pace of home price appreciation will continue. This data is from the Home Price Expectation Survey from Pulsenomics. It's a survey of a national panel of over 100 economists, real estate experts, and investment and market strategists. The consensus is home prices will continue climbing next year and in the years to come. And last but definitely not least, question number 3, is a recession coming? There's been a lot of recession talk in the last few years. But here's the thing, I'm not an economist, but from the data, it's telling us the chances of a recession are actually declining, in part because unemployment is at an all-time low right now. And data shows the reported flood of foreclosures and bankruptcies, well, they really haven't materialized. You can see from these charts that foreclosures are actually at a fairly low rate coming out of the forbearance during the pandemic. And then even from Fannie and Freddie, if we look at the chart of people being behind on their mortgages, that's actually pretty low as well. The big takeaway here, the data shows there's not a whole lot of concern, and quite frankly, there may be even some glimmers of hope. I've saved the real question behind the main questions people are asking me, and that question is this the right time to buy or sell a house? The reality is there is no global answer. It is so unique to every individual. Depends what your situation is. What are your needs? I'm here to share trustworthy and relevant data with you so you can make an informed decision that is right for you. Want to know more? Just comment or DM me so I can answer any other questions you have or give you more information on these questions, and we can be prepared going into the new year.